I'm trying to keep them. This is Daddy's.
Just set it on the phone.
I'm trying to keep them easy so you can just leave them all against the thing.
You said you made your hand do that?
No, Courtney, I said it Brennan. Man.
Brendan, hold up one of your presents so I can see what it is. Smile really big and pretty. Smile.
Look over here and smile.
Looks
me
like
what
he's
you got.
trying to poop.
Show me what you got. Turn your present around. Okay, awesome.
I thought Bobby was taking a picture. Stop
Okay.
moving your present around.
Okay, I got it. Just gonna show it real quick.
So cute.
Okay. Get your other stocking. You still got stuff in it. Right here, this one. For Daddy.
Daddy, there's my other one. I know I have the other one. Wait, I put the other one right here. So, now let's do one.
What you got? I don't
I'm
know.
going to set
We
the ones
can't
that are
see.
all of ours over here right here.
What is that?
No,
That goes with your easel, I think, where you can draw.
I got his excited face.
You can use that to draw on your easel. Just set it over there. Yeah. You could get, yeah, it can go right there in your little bucket. Awesome.
There's my little basket. And that one.
What else do you have in your stocking?
What about your other one?
There's my other one.
Rubbers.
Okay.
Let's see my good one.
What is it?
Hey, yeah, you got.
It's paintbrushes, huh?
Hey, yeah, you got. Hey, yeah, you got
Courtney, if they
yesterday.
don't have names on them, you know who's they go to.
There we go.
Go ahead.
I got new four-wheel die. It's on my present.
Did?
That's my old present. Old present on mine. And these. But that one, Bobby.
Yeah, that one's Bobby's.
Not a roller coaster. A really roller coaster. It's fun.
Well,
I
get-
wish I had that one.
Get the rest of your stuff out.
I'm sure Bobby will share it with you.
Okay.
Easy class.
Brennan, what else you got in here?
Dad will help you.
No, I got.
Okay.
Kids one, so.
Oh, kids one's up here. Courtney's got them all sitting up here. Right here.
It's crayons.
Oh, that'll go with your easel too. You can put them in your bucket also. You got two buckets. You got one on each side. See that?
You got a red one.
Yeah. A red one and a blue one.
Got draw.
This is Brenda Witz's. This is Adam's. Watch out, Pink.
I think he's waiting for
We're
her
on.
stocking too.
Thanks. Thanks, Pink.
Crayon.
No, those are paints. You got your own paints. Those are awesome. Now you can use your paint brushes and paint.
Now we're going up there. Why
Pick up
not?
your paint brushes and put them up there.
My paint left it.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder whose this is. Hit it, Pink.
There's something else here. Let me try. There gotta be something.
She gave it up already.
Hi, something.
Yeah, there's still something in there. What is it?
It's, let me check.
What's in her Pinky?
Brenda. You better start with your little presents now.
You took her
That's
cool.
what you said.
Did you find anything else yet?
It stops.
Adam.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Oh, wow. Now, that'll go on your bed, huh?
Yeah, there's my ball of
Honey,
Legos.
don't
My
put that
bed.
over here right now, honey. Just set it back in.
No. And that one.
Now, you got a lot of presents, though, laying around here. Right there, those are all yours. Those are all yours. You can start opening.